Here is another SAT examination question. If B plus 8A is equal to 5 multiplied by 4C plus B, the given equation can be written as B equal to MA minus NC, for which A and C are positive integers. What is the value of M plus N? All right, let's start from there. You can see that B plus 8A is equal to 5 times 4 is 20, C, plus 5 times B is 5B. Since we have equation in this form, let us make B the subject. I think, let me take B to the other side. You have 5B minus B, right? Then this one will come over. You have 8A minus 20C. This is 4B, right? Equals 8A minus 20C. Divide both sides by 4, and B will be equal to, this divided by 4 is 2. This divided by 4 is 5C. So you can see it is in this form. So we're asked to find the value of M plus N. M is 2. N is 5. Therefore, M plus plus N is equal to 2 plus 5, which is equal to 7. And 7 is our final answer. Yes.